UF Health Jacksonville offers transcranial magnetic stimulation, or TMS, a procedure which is FDA approved and has been given to thousands of patients successfully treating their depression. It involves using electromagnetic energy focused on a certain part of the brain that is underactive in patients with depression. The electromagnetic energy stimulates those cells, bringing them back up to normal activity and restoring normal mood in many of the patients who undergo the treatment.
The main side effects are some scalp irritation from just actually where the electromagnet is. And that's usually during the first couple of treatments and gets better. And we haven't had to stop a treatment because of this. Some tension type headaches can emerge. There is a risk for seizures, which occur in about 1 in 80,000 to 1 in 90,000 treatments.
The process of care with TMS, at first we do 2 maneuvers. One is called threshold determination. We determine how much energy we have to deliver to the brain so it will activate the brain. And then we call the second procedure mapping, and that's where we find the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex. So at the end, we have a stimulation that will activate the brain, that will go precisely to the anatomical structure in the brain that's underactive in depression.
And what's amazing is that everyone here in the clinic is able, not just the psychiatrist is able to notice the difference in patients, just in getting their vitals or asking them how they're doing today when they walk in the door. And that's very rewarding. I've been very encouraged by the success we've had in our clinic. I can think of one patient who I'd been treating for several years with many medications, a dozen or more, and he had really lost his zeal for life, going through the motions, keeping a job, but not enjoying life, you know. And within a couple weeks of starting this treatment, myself and the whole clinic could see him carrying himself differently. We could see the spark of life and passion start to light up in his eyes, and his life is completely transformed now.
Depression is a common disorder in human beings. Unfortunately, a large portion of that patient population does not respond to the traditional therapies that we have available, psychotherapy and medications. However, UF Health Jacksonville now has transcranial magnetic stimulation, or TMS, a procedure that will be effective in helping over half of those patients who have not responded. So there is hope out there with this new procedure to help patients who have been treatment resistant to this point.